Hello everyone, this is a video of a fan that I picked up yesterday at Habitat, very excitedly I might add. It's a Phil Rich, and I thought it was 60 inches, but now that it's installed, I think it's a basic 52, I don't know, I haven't measured it. And it's basically an Emerson heat fan with a little bit of customization. We've got a one-piece blade hub here, for example. Wood blades with wingtip. Paint's peeling off that plastic, but whatever. And it's really cool. I got it wired up here onto my antique light switch. And why won't this focus? There we go. And it's extremely powerful. So let me turn it on. I can't remember if I left it on low or high, because it's one of those that goes high, off, low, off. So we'll see. I see the ticking is something I need to fix before I go to bed tonight. That's just the chain banging against the globe. And then it goes back to off. And then this is low speed. The interesting thing about this fan is there's a lot of interesting things about it, but in particular the direction it spins for downdraft. Obviously it's not reversible. I don't know if it is. I haven't found the reverse switch, but I don't think it is. It spins the opposite direction. It goes counterclockwise for downdraft, whereas most fans, I got that backwards, I'm sorry, it's going clockwise for downdraft, whereas most fans would go counterclockwise. And you know, you don't see that a whole lot, but it's a pretty neat fan. It was only 15 bucks, and for me to take down the fan that was in here before to put it up means that I was pretty excited about it. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll just let it stop. I'm sure the AC is giving it a boost, but it should stop any second now. There we go. Alright, that is it, and I hope you enjoyed.